This past weekend, I traveled to Timmins. It was my dad's birthday and my husband's dad's birthday. I spent some quality time with family and I did a lot of shopping. Actually, whenever I travel to Timmins, I always do a lot of shopping, but this time I kind of went a little bit overboard.
We made it back 2 days. "16-hour drive, 2 days back. We're back, and here's the situation. There is a lot of stuff to unpack. Normally, unpacking is my favorite thing after shopping, but this is a lot. I'm not exactly sure where to start. Check it out. Now I'm gonna jump over to the larger freezer where I put all the mock meats. Now these I'm most excited to try, so I'm not sure if I should freeze them or keep them in the fridge. And just in case you're wondering how we kept all that frozen, I have a cooler bag with lots of ice packs. And this I brought all the way back from Timmins. I'm going to try to spruce it up because some parts suffered in the voyage.
To help my lettuce keep longer and not be wilty, here's what I do. I just rinse it a bit, put it in a nice plastic container with paper towel, and it keeps for like 2 weeks.
And last but not least, in this box, we've got some onions for planting. Thinking of starting my garden. I've got lots of seeds and now these bulbs. And for tacos. The rest of the stuff in here doesn't really need refrigeration, so I'll just make it fast. I got some raw cashews and some nutritional yeast. Gonna make some salad dressing, some Alfredo sauce. I may have gone a little bit overboard on the maple syrup, but I don't think you can ever have too much maple syrup. This will last me a while though. A little break from the food to show you the mattress. Look at how Rick and his dad wrapped the mattress. Got here very clean and safe. Let's get the other one. Getting our old bed back. We've bought 2 other beds and they sucked. So we're going back to the old bed we used to have when we lived at the cottage. That must be the secret to its comfort. The sponge. The moment of truth has come. Let's see if it's as comfortable as I remember. Fuck yeah! And ta-da! All ready for a good night's sleep tonight. I got some microgreen seeds, red winter kale, so I'm gonna sprout them.
That should be perfect amount.
So I'm just gonna soak them for overnight, and then tomorrow morning we'll drain them and they'll start sprouting.
As I hope you've seen in this video, there is absolutely no shortage of vegan food. So many choices, so many possibilities. No starvation here.
These flowers are like from Easter. They are all dried up, but still looks kind of nice, surprising for like 3 weeks. Look at the pretty plant my sister bought for me. It's a lavender. I know exactly where I'm going to put it.
Small Town Vegan. Living and thriving as a plant eater in a small town.